The applications in plastic welding are so wide-ranging, like the multifaceted image of a city and its surroundings. As well as manual work, membrane welding at the landfill also involves administrative tasks. Until now, the welding report has had to be completed by hand, which takes time and can be real time-consuming. With the myLeister app, all that is in the past. Devices can be connected to each other, and the necessary reports can be automatically generated. Raw welding data is saved in the app and is immediately available via the cloud, no matter whether you're in the office or on site. The parameters can also be adjusted via the app in the selected language. This makes the work so much easier. The welding parameters are transmitted to the mobile device during operation and can be seen right away. An additional feature is the unit converter, which calculates all of the relevant units relating to Leister applications. The tool function in the app provides other useful features. Additional applications for floors and flat roofs will follow. Thanks to the cockpit overview, all of the information and functions can be seen at a glance. Download the myLeister app now for free and get registered for a simple, efficient, and clear way of working.